Bondo Day. This is Bondo Day Part 2.
You recording?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so being that you recording.
I can do work though if you need me to.
No.
Okay.
Being that you're recording, I'm gonna show you when you come out here to do it. You really should use the sander first, and then finish with a piece of sandpaper because there's so much Bondo on there. It'll take a pretty good little time to do it with your hand.
Okay.
So we're gonna take a. You want to get everything smooth. Because everything you don't get smooth, don't come up in the paint. So you want to make sure. You don't want to dig into your holes. You just want to glaze over them. Because if you dig into them,